interesting for you guys to see why the top section, the hood and the fender and the front grille is a matte and rest of the car is shiny. What we did, we PPF the front end of the car with the matte materials. We just tell customer, if you want to do PPF, which is paint protection film, you can use a matte or shiny. If you use a shiny one, you get exactly the same color of the car. If you use a matte one, as you see the difference in the top of the fender, you can see the top section is matte, the side is, which is the original color, is a shiny. This paint protection film, which is PPF, is a thick layer of the plastic. It's just like a wrap. We cover the whole panel, stop the car to get stone chip, scratches and everything. I did this one nearly 1.5 years. As you see, hood and panel has not even one stone chip on it. Gorgeous. By spending like $1,500, I protect the whole front end of my car, because even if I want to paint it, it's going to cost me a couple of $1,000. But this is going to be forever. And also, I got the option, which is I can go matte like I did on the Bentley, or just normal, basic, shiny, which is you get original paint. And this is how it's going to be finishing. If you want to do PPF, if you want information on the PPF for your car, go to our website, parsmoto.ca, or contact at Pars Moto. We can give you all the information and all the